welcome back to another Thrive Themes tutorial in which I want to show you how to connect your MailPoet account to your Thrive dashboard. Now what you should know here is that MailPoet is a self-hosted plugin, so unlike most of our plugins, the setup can be done from the WordPress admin dashboard directly. So first of all, you will have to install the plugin. And for that, in your WordPress admin dashboard, we're going to go to the left sidebar and hover over plugins. From this submenu that appears, click on Add New. We'll be taken to this page directly, and as you can see, we have a search bar here where you can start typing MailPoet. Then hit enter on your keyboard or simply click on search, and as you can see, we have found the plugin. It's gonna be this one, the third version, and to install it, of course, click on Install Now. Once installed, the Install Now button is gonna become the Activate button, and if you want to activate the plugin right away, you can simply click on Activate here, and in a matter of seconds, the plugin is gonna be active. Alright, so once activated, we will be taken to our plugins section of our WordPress admin dashboard, and we will be able to see that MailPoet has been activated and that we can actually now start using it. So if you take a look on the left sidebar, you're going to see that the MailPoet section appeared here, and you can start creating your emails, forms, you can manage your subscribers, and so on. Now, of course, if you need information about all of these things, please check out their website and their knowledge base if you need help setting everything up. After activating the plugin, what comes next is to access your Thrive dashboard by clicking on Thrive dashboard from the left sidebar of the WordPress admin dashboard. Now this will open the page with your installed products and Thrive features, and you can scroll down until you find the API connections card, and when you do, click on Manage Connections. This is going to open the list with all of your active connections that you've previously set up from here. And to add a new one, you're going to have to click on Add New Connection here and click on this field to select an app. In our case, of course, this is going to be MailPoet. Once you find MailPoet in this list, click on it and then simply click on this Connect button. As you can see, everything is ready and you can start using the plugin and connect it to either a lead generation element or to a form from Thrive Leads. Now I want to show you a quick example on how you can connect a lead generation element to this plugin. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and open a page using Thrive Architect. So I've just opened one of my pages and I want to add the lead generation element as I do not have one on the page right now. And for that, I'm going to click on this plus sign, look for the lead generation element, and when I find it, I'm going to drag and drop it on my page. As I do that, I will have to select a template for this element, which you can do by clicking on the template you prefer from the previous pop-up. Then we can set it up from this left sidebar. Now, of course, we do have a separate tutorial that goes through all of these options and explains them one by one, so please check it out if you need help with any of them. But I will show you how you can connect this element to your MailPoet account. So first of all, make sure that API is selected here and then go ahead and click on Add Connection here. Then click on the Choose Connection field, and of course, we're going to select MailPoet from this list. Now you will only have to choose your mailing list, so to which mailing list the people that subscribe here or sign up here will be added to, and for that you can click on this field and you will see all of your mailing lists that you have created prior to this step from your MailPoet plugin. So I'm going to choose my mailing list and click on Apply. Right away, this element has been connected to MailPoet, and then of course you can start setting up this element so you can add new fields, choose what happens after someone successfully submits, and so on. Again, all this information can be found in the tutorial that we have created about the lead generation element, so be sure to check that one out as well. Once you're done, save everything. One more thing I want to show you before we end this tutorial is how to connect a Thrive Leads form to this plugin. So if you are using Thrive Leads, then go ahead and hover over Thrive dashboard in the left sidebar and open the Thrive Leads dashboard. Then in the list of lead groups, look for the lead group that contains the type of form that you want to add the connection to. So for example, I know that my form is placed in this newsletter lead group, so I'm gonna click on it, and then I can find the type of form that I want to connect, which is the widget type of form. Then from the right side of the form type, click on Edit. So this will open a list of all of your widget types of forms in my case, because you can have multiple forms of the same type created. So look for the one that you want to add the connection to, and from the right side again, click on this Edit Design button. So what's going to happen now is that the widget type of opt-in form is going to open in the Thrive Architect editor. The way this widget form is built is that it actually contains a lead generation element inside, which is going to be the actual form. So this means that if you want to connect a form from Thrive Leads to your MailPoet account, you will basically have to open the form in the Thrive Architect editor and then just proceed as explained before in the case of connecting the lead generation element to MailPoet. So in this case, I'm gonna select the lead generation element and then just continue with the steps as I've showed you before. So simply making sure that API is connected here, then click on Add Connection, choose Connection, click on MailPoet, choose your mailing list, and click on Apply. So basically this is it. This is how you can connect your MailPoet account to any form from your website. I really hope this tutorial was useful to you, and be sure to check out the rest of the articles and tutorials that we've created and uploaded to our knowledge base.